So I suppose you wonder, what the hell is this? It looks like a cigar chopper. But no, it's a bit better than that. As electricians, we terminate cables every day. Yep, we use our cutters just to mark it round so you can pull the outer sheath off and terminate it into its final junction. How many times do you just slightly nick one of them cores? It's a nightmare. You just damage it a little bit, and then when you maybe go to terminate it, you might have damaged the copper cable, so you've got to pull it out again. This is where this comes in handy. The coolant, open her up, put her on, and then keep your fingers where it wants to stop, and it will come off beautifully. This coolant, if you open it up, slip it over on the cable, keep your fingers there, because then when you turn it round, it'll get it nice and straight. Take her off. Look at that, a perfect cut without damaging any of them cores. It's like magic. If we try it with a bit of flex, open her up, stick her in, put your fingers there, and then just swing it round. Take her off, and that will pull off nice and neat without damaging any of them cores. Look at that, spot on.